When Anil started his YouTube channel, he thought growth would come fast. He uploaded videos every week and checked views every day. After 1 month, nothing happened. After 3 months, still nothing. He started asking himself, how long should I keep uploading before I see growth? This question is very common in every creator. The truth is, YouTube growth is slow in the beginning because YouTube is learning about you. It is learning who your videos are for, who clicks them, and who watches till the end. This learning takes some time. For most small creators, real growth doesn't happen in weeks. It happens after many months of uploading. Usually, the first 6 to 12 months are for learning, not growing. During this time, views may stay low, and that is completely normal. You don't need to panic about that. Growth starts when you improve little by little and keep making videos for the same type of people over a time. In simple words, it's like a compounding effect. If you change the topics again and again, YouTube gets confused and growth becomes slower. Many creators quit after a few months, but most channels that grow kept uploading for a long time without seeing results. If you upload with patience, learn from each video, and solve one problem for one audience, YouTube slowly understands your channel and growth comes when learning is complete. So if you are uploading and not seeing YouTube growth yet, it doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are still early. Keep going, stay in one direction, and give YouTube time to learn you. Hey, if you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe these videos. I post a ton of videos on this channel related to YouTube growth, followed by video editing and other videos. You know, it's like a complete package of creators' growth on this channel. That's all for this video. So yeah, see you again in the next video.